Hello everyone. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the remote control wheeled chassis. In this video, we will walk you through the operation in detail, from charging the battery to using the machine skillfully. Let's get started. First, make sure the battery is fully charged before using the machine. This is the charging port where you can plug it in and charge it. Next, before you start using it, turn on the power switch on the remote control, and then turn on the power switch on the machine. Now let's move this machine. By using the remote control, you can easily go forward. Press this button to stop walking. Backward. Stop. Turn left. Turn right. This button is the one-key recentering function. The tire automatically returns to the center. It's very simple. The machine has 7 adjustable gears. You can choose according to your needs. Finally, to turn off the machine, turn off the power button on the machine itself. And then turn off the power switch on the remote control. That's it. Now you can start using your chassis.